How's it going, guys? Owen McKinney, Rodger That Home Improvements. Today we are at 2408 Kim Bolton Drive here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. We're going to give you a little overview of what it's like on the day of your roof replacement, what to expect, and what our order of operations is. So the first thing we do is we go ahead and we get all the tarps laid out. Once everybody's prepared and they can start ripping the roof off, we come over here to the materials and we double check our material list and make sure that everything is here and everything is the right color. We've got Timberline HDZs in charcoal. We've got our ice water shield. We've got all of our felts. We have all of our hip and ridge shingles, coil nails, ridge, vent, caulking, flashing. We just make sure that everything is on site so that the whole process can be seamless. And we'll go through and we'll double check all of the numbers and make sure we have everything that we need. So we take these large tarps, we lay them around, we cover all your bushes, all your plants. And that way when they throw the stuff down, it's easier to clean up and it's easier to keep the nails from getting all spread out over the place. And anywhere that the roof meets some siding, we come over here and we set up tarps to stop the shingles from hitting your siding and getting asphalt and dirt and tar all over the side of your house. As the project goes on, we use Company Cam. It's a program that we can share a timeline link with you so you can go to work, get your project worked on. It'll show you pictures, details of everything as the roof goes on. The entire process, as we strip it, as we replace plywood, as we reinstall the synthetic, the shingles, everything, clean up. We show you everything is protected. Your AC units are covered, your grass is covered, your plants are covered. Everything that's involved, you can monitor from home because your time is valuable and you don't need to be here. We are building a cover for the AC unit so that it can still function. A lot of the times if you wrap it up with a tarp, it will not allow the AC unit to breathe properly. And this will keep nails, old felt paper, and debris from getting inside the AC unit and damaging the coil. When it comes to home insurance claims, what this actually is you've paid into this policy for 10, 15, 20 years. The money is not free. This is an investment that you put into the insurance company, and when you file a claim and you get your roof replaced, the main objective should not be finding a shady contractor that says, hey, I'll let you keep your deposit. The objective should be finding somebody that's certified, finding somebody that's qualified, and finding somebody that's dedicated to putting you another product on your roof that's going to last a lifetime. The products in today's roofing world are out of this world. This roof comes with a 50-year warranty, 10-year workmanship, 15-year unlimited wind speed, 25-year algae protection, and the remainder of the term is manufacturer defects, premature delamination, premature granule loss, shingles not sand sealed. Whatever the issue is, when you call Rodger That to put a new roof on, that is the last one that you're going to need in your lifetime. We have special platforms made to keep nails and old felt paper and shingles from falling in your AC units and damaging the coil. We do our best to protect your investment as we upgrade. Once they start stripping the roof off, we go around and we inspect for any rotten decking, anything that's soft. We make sure that we have a good nailable surface. We replace anything that's got any rot or any deterioration or any delamination so that when we go back to nail it, we have a nice solid nailing surface. Alright, once we get all the decking inspected and replaced, we go ahead and roll out our ice water shield. We put half a sheet on the rakes, half a sheet on the eaves, and a full piece in the valleys. Then we get our felt buster synthetic underlayment. We get it rolled out, button capped off. They snap their chalk lines to keep straight courses. They lay their starter shingles. They start nailing away.